Hi friends, as always, thank you for coming to my channel. Today I have a question for you. Did you know you can create adorable custom teddy bear designs like these using ChatGPT? Well, if not, I'm going to show you how I made these and then I turned them into DTF print designs. Then I took them and printed them onto aprons. So I'm going to show you that whole process. I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT, how I use Canva, where I went to have them printed, and then once they were printed and sent in, how did I press them onto the apron. So I'm going to show you that whole process. Also, if you love creating designs, I invite you to join the Creators Academy. It's fun. It's a space where you'll enjoy other community members as well as get exclusive prompts, ready to use PNGs, Canva templates, ebooks, and so much more, as well as weekly ideas to help you build your digital design side hustle. And it's all for a super affordable monthly fee, I promise you. And I'll tell you more about it at the end. But for now, let's just dive into this and start creating. And here is the printed DTF print. So let's get right to it. So I was just playing around and let's try a boy. So I put, I would like this, but it didn't make it transparent. I said create a watercolor teddy bear with a blue bow tie and he is in a blue hot air balloon. So it gave me this. However, I forgot to say I needed a transparent background. So all I did was I clicked the picture and just said create this as a transparent background. And that's it. And so when I did that, see? Oh, I just said make it transparent. Okay, fine. And it did. It made it transparent. So when you do that, it's transparent. No more white. So then I want this teddy bear. Same thing. So I'm going to show you. So what I did was my client, she wanted a teddy bear with pink and gold balloons. I don't see this as gold, but you know, we can always make it work. We can keep tweaking it. And she wanted white pearls around her neck, and she wanted the initials SG on the bear. So that's why I had that. So now I'm going to show you how you can say if you want like her to wear tutu, and she also wanted a pink bow. So we're going to say, so we're going to click on it, and we're going to say, please give her a pink bow and a pink tutu. All right, and so we're going to see what that does. And then after we create this, I'm going to take you over to Canva so I can show you, because it's a we can barely wait theme. So then I just added text to it. I added some like little pink clouds to give it a little oomph so it can look a little better. And then I went ahead and uploaded to Jiffy Shirts, had them put them as DTF prints. And then when you saw in the beginning with me printing, that's how it came to life. So basically I created it in ChatGPT, took it into Canva, and I added the we can barely wait, played around with the font. Of course, I showed my client just to make sure she was happy, because once we get everything printed and then pressed, and then they be like, no, I don't like it, too late. So not for them, but it's just, you just don't want to do that. So you can kind of give them a sample, like, okay, this is what I have, do you like it, yay and nay, and go from there so that you can have a satisfied customer. So that is how I did all of that. So that's basically what you can do for anything. So if you have a client that have a specific request, go right to ChatGPT, request it. I mean, put it in there, whatever it is that you want designed. That's, I won't say simple, but like pretty much ChatGPT can do it. Put it in there, name anything, put it in Canva, tweak it a little bit, and then wherever you choose to have your designs printed for DTF and also UV DTF, because you can put them on cups, you can put them on plates, different things that you can do with that. Okay, so we go. All right, perfect. It did it, guys. However, guess what I forgot to do? Well, actually, I didn't think it wasn't gonna put it on transparent because it was already transparent, but we're just gonna have to tell it again. Hello. And I like it. It's a little bit more golder it looks, so we can just say, please, oops, I don't want to say please, I want to demand it. Come on, make this a transparent background. You knew I wanted that in the beginning. Why you didn't do that? Okay, so let's see. But yes, pretty much you talk to ChatGPT like it's your friend, right? Like you're designing. You know how, when you're designing and you're creating your designs, your art, and you know what you want to do, it's pretty much you're telling ChatGPT, basically you're like outlining everything that you want. And if it doesn't get it right, just keep talking to it. Keep telling it exactly what you want until it happens to be exactly what you want. Don't give up. Keep going. Because if you stop, then of course, you're not going to get anything. You're not going to get what you like, right? So you have to keep talking to it. Tell it exactly what you want it created. Do it. Tweak it a little bit in Canva if you have to. You may not have to. You can probably do it all in ChatGPT where you want. We can barely wait. I'll test around with this and even see if it'll add that. If it doesn't, it's fine because I can go right to Canva. But we can try it and test it out. But I'm not going to hold you here. We're going to come back to this. We got our pink bow and our pink tutu. Very cute. All right, so let's try the We Can Barely Wait. Let's see. Okay, at the bottom in pink, right, we can barely wait. That's my bottom. Nope, I said button. Okay. At the bottom in pink, right, we can barely wait. In a cute font. I can't think any fonts offhand, so we'll just go with that. And let's see what it do. I'm just trying it out. This is my first time testing it out, because if it does that, this is perfect. We can just go to Canva, tweak it just a little bit, maybe add some little pink clouds, something like that. So like, let me go to Canva and show you what I did. So this is what I did. So let me I was playing around with it. Is this the same one? That's a different one. Oh, right. Because this one is the first one, but she wanted some tutu. She wanted the tutu on it. So I had to go and ask ChatGPT, give it tutu. Ooh, didn't even realize this piece was missing here, but this one is cuter. This is the one I did anyway. So what I did was just duplicate it. She said it looked plain, which it did without it. So I'm going to go ahead, upload this little thing again. We're gonna upload. There we go. Upload it there. Make it a little smaller for now. And then I wanted some. Here we go. So we wanted this right here, pink watercolor cloud. I wanted that. So I did that, and I actually just made it transparent so it won't be so pink. So I did that, and then I put it to the back. Okay. Then I said, you know what? It looks like it's missing something. So I wanted some flowers. So this is the one I chose. Pink peony flowers. Don't judge me if I spelled it wrong. But pretty much what I did was I just put in pink flowers. And you get to choose whatever flowers you would like. But I chose these. So I just played around with it. Turned it around here. Gonna add another one. Trying to see how to... Oh, I did like this. Here. Here. And then I pretty much put the bear on top of it. So I'm gonna show you. Bear on top. So we positioned. I want this to go to the back. To the back. And we just position her a little bit bigger. Actually, bring these down some. Like that. Oh, we put it all the way to the back. Okay. Let's go. Position, layers. Put this on top of this. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's move this around. We'll bring this back up. Okay, then we're gonna bring this. Alright, we gotta bring them down some more. Bear with me, guys. I'm just showing you what I did here. Okay. And that's all I did. Oh, I forgot I have to make room for We Can Barely Wait. So give me 1 second. We're gonna write it here. We Can Barely Wait. And then we're just gonna go back and see if it did it. And then we almost be. Did I do? Yep. We can barely. Oops. Barely wait. I think I spelled it wrong on the other one. Y'all, it's late, so please forgive me. I'm actually doing this at like 11:30 at night, so just bear with me. Alright, so let's, oops. Did I do? No, it wasn't. Yes, it was this one. Yes, okay. Did this one. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger for you so you can see. Then I went to effects. Yes. And actually, I'm sorry guys, I told you it's late. This is supposed to be pink. And what I wanted to match this, so I did. So we just want to take this little dropper, put it here. And we're gonna, okay, we're gonna do that again. We want to do the dropper, this. Oh, okay, forgive me. Here we go. And effects, we want to make this black, but we're gonna tone it down. And there you have it. Even though I don't like this pink because it's too pink, it's clashing. So let's make it a little darker. Or we do this for now, just so it can kind of pop out a little bit more. And that's it, guys, really. And then of course you go here, you download it. You want to do transparent background, and you want to current page, done. Download it. Of course, you want to bring this up. Download it, right? Once you download it, you want to, all right, we just go ahead and download it. Transparent, current, download. All right, while that's doing that, let's go back here and see. Oh, what happened here? No bueno. I don't know what this did. What happened? The bear is messed up. You can remove the words. Okay, we don't like that. So that's not gonna work. I mean, it may, but it's late. I feel like playing around with it right now, guys. I'm so sorry. But I just showed you how we can add our own wording and everything else to it in Canva. So we're going to stick with that. Okay, it's complete. And now I am going to go to Jiffy and see, this is what I did before. I was just taking it. All right, so fine. So you want to go to DTF transfers. And then you want to upload. Downloads. Okay, there we go. And it's going to upload it. It does this. Basic is fine. Okay. Basic. And we say I did it on an apron. I believe I did 6 by 7. Okay, I did that. So this is how it came out. That's how it came out, the one we just did. And $2.63, and then you just add how much, your quantity. I had to do 6 aprons, so I got 6. And then you just go ahead and add to cart, and that's it. It usually comes. So what's today? Today is Tuesday, July 8th. So it said it get here, if I order within 14 hours, it get here by Thursday. So there you go. Just that simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And let me know if you like these type of videos and I can do more. But okay, now we're getting into the pressing on the prints, the DTF prints. So this apron I got off of Amazon. They come in a pack of 12. I only needed 6. I had used another 6 before for another print I had to do for graduation. But this is for a baby shower. This lady, she is a chef. So she likes to do customized aprons. And I think that's a cute addition onto her. So that's an idea for you guys if you're looking into getting different ideas for DTF prints, if for your business or what have you. A great way to sell. Also, I wanted to show you all that I'm peeling off here the print because you have to let it cool, right? So don't make the mistake and try to pull it off right away. Let it cool. Once it cool, you want to press it again, because when you press it, when I feel it, it still kind of like feels like, I don't know, like a sticker on it. But once you press it again, then it feels like as if it's nothing there. It's already embedded into that. Extra little heat helps put that print into embedded, and I tell you, it's great. That's why I really like the DTF prints, because it's so much better than like the vinyl. And that's how you create a full DTF ready teddy bear design using ChatGPT and Canva. No design skills, no expensive software, and no limits on your creativity. But if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for me. Okay, if you're ready to take your design skills to the next level and actually start building and expanding your digital product business, I'd love to welcome you inside the Creators Academy. It's a low-cost, high-value space where you'll get done-for-you PNGs, exclusive prompts, Canva templates, business tips, ebooks, and so much more. The link is below this video. Check it out and join us. I promise you, it's a great community and you will get a lot of it. I'm showing you here a sample of some of the things that we have in here, but it's going to be so much more. This is going to be filled with a lot of things. Like, you also will be able to get monthly coaching from me. We get to have monthly one-on-ones via Google Meet. Okay, so once again, the link is below. Join us. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create. Go ahead and join the community. Until next time, bye bye.